How to find Invideo AI coupon code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Invideo AI coupon code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Invideo AI is a cloud-based video creation platform that uses artificial intelligence to help users create videos quickly and easily. Invideo allows users to add branding to videos including company logos, fonts, and color schemes. Users can access Invideo's library of over 3 million premium stock footage to enhance videos. Users are able to browse the extensive library of pre-made content and add it to their own videos with the click of a button. So, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for couponcodin.com/store/Invideo. Now, scroll through in the interface that you will be led to and search for the offer that suits your preference the best and tap on the Get Code button. I will tap on this particular option. You will then be shown with the code, so go ahead and copy the code and paste it further in Invideo official website during your checkout, and as you can see, I can now get 30% off on annual Invideo Studio plans with this code. So, this is how you can find Invideo AI coupon code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel, Login Giants, for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.